It's Chris Alexander with USA Defenders, and what the purpose is of this video is to show you, the American public, what really is going on in fact and reality in our country that the mainstream media will not talk about. What is going on is that Shariah law will be in this country in 2013 in various forms. The one form that I have in mind is the City Center DC project. It's a $700 million project that's financed by terrorists through their organizations that will be only 6 blocks away from the White House. So this being the case, the companies that are financing this are Barwa Real Estate and Investment, Qatari Real Estate and Investment, and Barwa Al Khor, of which Yosef Ahmad Al Hamadi is the head of that company. He owns 21 companies across 5 business sectors. And can you guess one of the business sectors that he owns? That's right, it'll be the infrastructure for cities. So, as I said, this is a $700 million project. Clark Construction and Smoot Construction in Washington, D.C. are the ones that are going to be the turnkeys on this project. The other people that are involved in this are Farhan Mahmoud, who owns InvestCorp. It's the financial company. He also owns Qatari First Investment Bank, and he also owns AMI Building Materials in Ohio. So he is a terrorist, make no mistake about it. Also, you have Sheikh Abdullah Khalid Al-Thani. Now, he is a definite terrorist because of the fact that he was harboring Khalid Sheikh Mohammed. In 1996, he was also harboring many Al-Qaeda operatives. So he's got his stake in this thing, as well as Al-Walid bin Talib. Now, Al-Walid bin Talib, if you remember, bailed out Citigroup, which is under their umbrella has Citibank. So he bailed them out to the tune of $1.5 billion. He is worth $20 billion. Other people that he associates with are Salah Abdullah Kamel, who's worth $5.3 billion. And he runs the Al-Baraka Group, which is the Islamic center for all of their banking. So this being the case, they will have this project in 2013, 6 blocks away from the White House, and everybody that goes into the center has to comply to, you guessed it, Shariah law. So it won't stop there. At that point, they're going to want more and more control. And this center will go in 2013. It's been negotiated since 2006. This sent a red flag up to me. That what else is going to take place in 2013? And what else will take place is the Cordoba House. Now, it won't be the Muslim Brotherhood that steps in to take it over. It's going to be an organization called the Alliance for Civilizations, which is merely a cover name for Hizbut Tahrir. Now, Hizbut Tahrir is run by Ata Khalid Abu Rashta. He's a major terrorist. So with these two elements together, what you're going to see is a major push in 2013 for these people to try and do what they can to get Shariah law on a national basis. So one other element, I couldn't understand back last year, 2010, why Obama brought in 12 Shariah compliant attorneys into the White House. And he did this under a fellowship program. So the lead person in this is Samar Ali. So it kind of ties in why he's doing it. He's getting ready to implement Shariah law, or try to attempt to bring Shariah law into this country. He's put devout Muslims in every branch of our government you can think of. So this is no surprise to me that this is what he'd try to do. Covering his back is Eric Holder. Eric Holder, he refuses to prosecute Omar Hamad, who is one of the co-founders of CARE that has waged war against the United States, if and only if we did not distance ourselves from Israel. So, speaking about this, about Hizbut Tahrir, this organization is a very dangerous organization. It's a spin-off from the Muslim Brotherhood, and they've been banned in every country in the entire world. But Eric Holder and Obama, they will not ban them from our country. And why? Because it appears that they want to bring Shariah law into our country. And this is not acceptable. If you want more information on this, I've written 4 books, 2 of which have already been published. The first book is Truth, the Political Answer, Dangerous Times Ahead, and the second is Two Truths, Two Justices. The first book deals with the foundations and organizations that are financing radical causes as well as terrorism. The second book, Two Truths, Two Justices, is available on Kindle and as well as Amazon.com, BarnesandNoble.com, and 25,000 bookstores across the nation. This deals with the entire personal agenda of Barack Hussein Obama all the way up to the year 2020. And believe me, it's startling, and you need to get these books to read it to find out just what he has in a plan for this country. So until next time, I want to bring about all through these video series what is happening in our country, and with fact and reality that a lot of people don't realize as yet. So like I said, in 2013 there's going to be a major push to get Shariah law more so into this country.